This is what a machine being and machine reality sounds like, all disguised as a natural suburb. These are cloned human beings, artificially intelligent army machine beings, doing constructive but also destructive anti-life work using sound while they're doing these stage set-up construction programs around me. And probably the same if you are aware of their nature, human being. This is what they do to you. They set a machine reality onto you. The machine beings, the artificially intelligent machine beings come to life. They're survival machine beings. They're psychopathic, malignant, narcissistic, paranoid, controlling, power-hungry human beings that come in an innocent human body and pretend to be innocent human beings, whilst they do destructive, or as they say, hidden but also secret destructive work, because it's not hidden that they're doing all these constructions around me, but it's hidden from the majority of real normal people who would object to all this sound if it was being done to them. See how it stops so that I can't talk, so that they can hear me talking. It will be turned on as soon as I press the stop on the record. It's a program designed to make me look stupid and wrong whilst they get away with murder.